In this video, I'll show you how to center align text in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser. Sign in to your account, and once you're signed in, go ahead and open a workspace or a template where you want to center a text to. So center aligning text in Notion isn't built in like Word or Google Docs, but with a few clever workarounds, you can make your content look polished and visually balanced. So what you can do here is to go ahead and enter slash heading and then select the type of heading that you want to use. So for example, you want to make your text smaller, you can go ahead and select heading 3 from the drop down. So enter here slash heading, and then a drop down will pop on your screen. So simply select heading 3 and then go ahead and enter the text that you want this to contain. And then once you have added that, go ahead and tap the spacebar repeatedly until the text appears centered. So you can also use call out blocks for centered quotes or highlights, combine equation blocks with emojis or icon for visual flair. And that is how you can basically center align text in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.